Alright, so it's morning of our first day, and man, it was pretty cold last night. Once again, we're desert folks, so it drops pretty hard. But yeah, Cuervo's got some coffee going, and we got some beef jerky, and that'll do until it warms up enough and we wake up enough, and then we can make some breakfast, some eggs and hash browns. Alright folks, so breakfast is ready, and we made some hash browns, eggs, and mushrooms. And of course, we got ourselves some coffee. I'm rocking my Boba Fett mug for today. I normally make it on here, but this is what we use for the mushrooms. So yeah, it's chow time, and then from there we're gonna get the day started and review some stuff. So we're on our way to film one of our reviews for the water filter, and we ran into this little guy. Now I did want to do a catch and cook on a tarantula. That's one of the videos that I have planned. Hopefully I get around to doing that. And I'm tempted to kind of use this guy, but at the same time, we're behind schedule. We got some reviews to do, so might as well knock them out. And then we can get something, grub on something like this later on in a few weeks. We're just outside of the town of Jemez. Just check out this area, it's so beautiful. The soil is so vibrant red, so rich. Just all these wildflowers blooming. And this is just right behind a gas station. So beautiful. Getting closer to these little canyons. Oh my god, this is just unbelievable. I feel like I'm in a Red Dead Redemption game or something. So we had to come back to town. There's no signal at the campsite, so we had to drive a good 20 miles to get back to town. And yeah, we needed Wi-Fi to get some more information on the gear that I'm using, the technical specs. And I'm so glad we did, because we completely just drove past all of this. And I'm glad that we made time to come back for that, because that's just so cool.
water is actually quite refreshing. It was a hot day, so that's really cool. So that's the first form, immediate. In an emergency situation, you just have this in your bug out bag and you don't have time to make a fire for whatever reason. Use your imagination. And this is a way that you can use this water, during an emergency, a natural disaster, something like that, and you don't have the luxury of time. So that's really cool.
Alright, so we are back at camp. We already did film a review earlier today on the Liberty Lifesaver water bottle, and now we are making some supper. And check out that gorgeous fire, that gorgeous bed of coals right there. So what are we eating tonight? Green chili stew. Now I have a video on this, on camp cooking and how to make this recipe. Extremely simple to make, but an extremely hearty meal. It's a staple for us every time we're camping. In fact, I even make this at home at least once a week. And very simple, as I said. Potatoes, onions, garlic, green chili, mushrooms, and then salt, pepper, coriander, cumin, and cayenne. And yeah, it makes a hearty meal, especially it gets pretty cold up here at night. We're high in the mountains, and it's already autumn, so late at night it just gets extremely cold. So something like this before supper, before bed, that's gonna be awesome. Meantime, while our dinner gets ready, it's time to go ahead and relax, and Cuervo here is going to be hitting the whiskey. I'm a little bit more hesitant. I woke up with a headache this morning, but screw it. I think after supper I'm gonna start hitting the bottle too, just a little bit. Awesome. All right, folks, so dinner is ready. So time to eat some supper. Really hearty. The temperatures are dropping very quickly, so it's getting pretty cold. So this is gonna really hit the spot. Once again, green chili stew, a staple with us, and just honestly a very favorite meal of mine. Never gets old. And now for the cheese, and I believe this is pepper jack. Whoa. Break that part over here. There we go. All right, so time to grub out. And the plates, the bowls are so warm too, so it's gonna help warm us up. And while we're on the subject of relaxation, check out my boots. Aw, yeah. So anyways, of course, guys, I'm notorious for, walking around in cowboy boots all day and stuff like that. That's how I love cowboy boots. However, after you've been hiking in them and sweating in them all day, they do get uncomfortable. So today I'm just going to be rocking these slippers. Now, yesterday was my birthday, and my beautiful friend Denise, my favorite, she actually surprised me with these as a gift. And you know what? I'm really loving them because they're so comfortable and they let my feet breathe at the end of the evening when we're just relaxing. And not only that, but like I said earlier, the nights here do get very cold, and we're desert folk. So, it gets cold. So double socks and these bad boys while sleeping, I'm sure is going to make a big difference. She gave me some chips as well, but of course I already devoured them. So my favorite, if you're watching, thank you so much. I really love them. They're really cool. So, camping in style. All right, folks, well, we already ate our dinner. We're getting this fire nice and hot because it's getting pretty cold, and we are enjoying a little bit of some Jack and Coke. So I'm more of a beer guy, to be honest, but you know, we were just tired of lugging around beer and going to get some more the next day. So we just, you know, we're just enjoying a bottle of Jack Daniels, and just gonna enjoy the last of our evening because we leave tomorrow. So this one's cheers to everyone out there watching. So apologies for the bad lighting, and also especially my buddy Leo from Irish Zombie Nation, who I had the pleasure of drinking whiskey with him for 4 days up in Missouri this summer, and that was really awesome. He's a really great guy. So Leo, slanche. Nice.
All right, so this is day 3 of our camping excursion. Okay, just getting the day started. Last night was cold, but it wasn't as bad as the first night. We were prepared this time a little bit better. I have my coat, I got my gloves, my wool blanket, and my regular blanket. I have my jeans, and of course those slippers. I am wearing them as well. And yeah, I slept a little bit better this time. And yeah, this is the last day we're gonna be here, so I can already hear Cuervo out there. He got the fire going. He's making some coffee, and we're gonna, you know, still review some stuff, and then from there, proceed to, you know, getting back home.
So we're warming up, drinking up our coffee, and yeah, we said we weren't gonna get too messed up last night, but we ended up going through this whole bottle, which it really isn't much. We didn't get that crazy, but I'm still surprised because we were both hesitant to start drinking last night, but good times. So pretty much after this, once we have drink our coffee, we're gonna stoke up the fire again, actually start up that grill to make the review on the Yuko grill, and we're gonna make some jalapeno poppers on that bad boy. So it's gonna be a good lunch.
Don't tell me that doesn't look good.
Folks, so this is the last day of our camping trip. It's time to make our way back. We just finished reviewing the Yuko flat pack portable grill, and we made some jalapeno poppers and bacon, and that was really awesome. We didn't have time to film the power bank, the Out XC one. It's an 8-hour drive, and we both work tomorrow, so might as well get to it. But yeah, I think it's time to start putting all this away. I did purchase a souvenir while out here in the Pueblo, and there we go, citation. Yesterday I got a ticket for speeding, so please obey the rules of the road. Don't get careless. So this just dropped me $90. All right, folks, so we are on our way out. We have a couple hours to drive. We did stop really quick at this little area once again, just because it's so gorgeous, and we were just picking flowers and stuff like that. I mean, look at the richness in color, and keep in mind we're in September, you know, so this is just beautiful. And also some red sand, because it is just so vibrantly red out here. So we're ready to go. Had a great camping trip. I hope you enjoy this, and we'll see you guys next week. Now go outside and get your boots dirty.